Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use this Polish by Color Club. It's a really pretty hollow. I love it. I want to show you what it looked like. It's called Don't Harp on It. And then I'm going to use my black nail striper. And I always use the LA Colors Art Deco design. And it's a really simple design to do. This is really simple. I want to show you something really easy, quick, and like I said, simple. So I just drew on some lines on the side of my nails. I added 4 lines, kind of like an animal print, I guess. It's just to me abstract design. And then on the other side of my nails, I just added small dots. Like I said, this is a really easy design. I thought it looked really pretty with the hollow and the black. You can use other colors. You can go crazy and do a white background with neon colors. But I wanted to show you that you can do a real fun and crazy design. And as you can see, once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. It's a really easy design, like I said. Simple and quick. Here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.